about RECM and Calibre. Bright knows these oaks well as well. Market cap is R1 billion. It's not currently showing up as having a PE ratio or dividend yield, but really this is an NAV play. It's been listed for about 7 years. Just tell us the people behind it and the core assets.
So this is Pete Viljoen and a friend of ours in Pretoria, Tinus de Bruin, who's the Calibre Capital side of things. Yeah, so they raised about 500 million rands to buy into businesses in South Africa.
Yep.
They bought quite a lot of businesses, which Dis-Chem was one of them, and then that listed, they took some money out.
So conceptually what Pete and his mates are trying to do is start like a Berkshire Hathaway, but in the South African market.
Correct. And so a way to do that is, you know, focusing on increasing the value of the businesses that are underlying, while taking a very tiny fee and no salaries.
Which is nice of them, I must say.
Yeah, they only
They're not being greedy.
They only take 1%.
So the current assets, the big ones, because Dis-Chem they did very well out of, but they sold on listing. They should have held it, by the way, because it's higher now.
It's 27%
The big
higher.
assets now are Gold Rush.
53%.
What is Gold Rush?
So it's slots machines, yes.
Yeah.
It's a competitor to Niveus that we were talking about just now. Yeah.
The Vukani thing. So that's like limited payout machines.
Yes.
So like some malls have these funny little rooms where people play slot machines.
Correct. And clubs at night. Some clubs actually have slots machines in the back if you look closely.
Cheapers.
Yes, they've got a
bigger
big
business than you'd think, though. They do well.
Yeah, it's a very big business in South Africa with, I think, about 3,000 licenses for these machines.
They're regulated, so the payouts are set. You can't, the machine has to be...
And the licenses as well, there's limited licenses in Joburg, Mpumalanga, and Northwest, and they own most of them.
Anyway, so Pete and Tinus think this is a good business. Transhex, which is diamonds, and then a bunch of other stuff, JB Private Equity in Centula.
That's Centula. So Transhex, they were the other partner with Christo Visa taking the minorities out when they delisted that business.
Okay, so I mean it's interesting because they reckon the NAV is around 27 Rand. What does the share chart look like? Look, it has gone up because it's gone from where it was at a 500 million valuation to about $1 billion. Yeah,
finally, another interesting asset that I like there is actually Safari and Outdoor. They call it outdoor investments. You know, where you can go get your guns, hunting stuff, your tents, and with the whole safari thing in South Africa doing exceptionally well and tourism on the rise, this is a good asset to have.
Okay, so I'm being told in my ear we have to wind this up. So you're hot on this one?
I'm very hot on this one.
Okay, you can have it. You can be hot on that one. I'm going to pass.